guys, it's me, Ira, and friend is playing in the mini pool. Actually, she is swimming time. Look at here. Look
Hi.
at,
Where are you going to post that?
huh?
Where are you going to post that, Tamara?
Yeah.
I have an earplug in here.
Wait, I'm gonna zoom it.
So, hey, don't zoom it.
So, it is the middle or the start of afternoon because look, it's so hot, so bright. And Jean is so jealous because she wants to swim. I'm gonna sit over there. So, and friends just think that if we get 20 or more than followers, she she is going to crack an egg in her head. Me too. I'm just suggesting. If you are subscribing us here on the marathon, subscribe us to in our new YouTube channel is Maraponi. So don't forget to subscribe it. So look.
I am going to make a wave.
Look this.
Hi.
And I'm gonna get this. Yeah. And come on over here.
So,
There's the water in there and
hey,
yeah. Yeah. Oh. And there's the water until there.
I'm going to scream like a dog.
So if you're watching this video and you like our video, just like it, and if you have a suggestion, just comment down below.
Oh wait, subscribe
I just
our
remind you.
new
Channel.
channel. Maraponi.
Look at my nails. So look.
Look at the big wave. Oh, big wave. Oh my goodness. Oh.
So I'm gonna put water and I'm going to put it on the mini pool.
Hey, upside down.
Yeah. Yo, don't do it.
Oh, my phone fell.
Gotta put. Yeah. It's so heavy. Just gonna put it over here. And I'm just being bored because I'm bored. And look this.
She's a camera woman.
Hello. So look, I have. Look.
Look, I am going to spin.
Look at my.
What's
so
that?
ouch. It just a little bit ouchy.
Wait,
And
look,
I
I'm
have
going
a
to
little.
spin. Hi. Did you see my foot?
Yeah, we see that. And look, I'm gonna put the here. I'm gonna put. Yeah. Oh, this.
I don't know. I'm
Gonna
going to.
Over here and over here.
I'm going to
That is my sleeper.
lay down. I'm going to lay down under the water. Underwater.
So, yeah. So, let's look over there. So, if you're learning this video, just like this and get the suggestion. If you want us to do your suggestion, just comment down below and we will try to do. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
No.
Bye-bye.
See you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.